We often get asked what exactly the difference is between diamond cut wheels and regular painted wheels. Here we will explain the difference. Ultimately, what makes a diamond cut wheel is the extra process of being cut on a specialist CNC lathe to have a precise amount of material removed in order to expose the metal and create a crisp and refined two-tone look. More often than not, diamond cut wheels will have two different colours or a two-tone appearance, with the outer edge and face of the spokes usually being the cut area and the rest of the wheel a painted finish. Diamond cut wheels can be any colour, but always have a defined two-tone finish, whereas a painted wheel is generally one single colour and finish. It's worth mentioning that not all wheels are suitable for diamond cutting. If you're unsure whether a wheel is suitable, please be sure to send a photo to your branch.